this is Maddie. I'm a Thermomix independent consultant, and I like to make this video to show you how we can cook healthy, save time, save money, and be creative with the Thermomix. Today we're going to make some veggie muffins. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, and if you substitute the eggs, they can also be vegan. Let's get to work. The first step is going to meal the buckwheat. This is the number one ingredient. This is buckwheat. So we're gonna set it up for 15 seconds at speed 9. Okay, this is ready. Transfer. This is how it looks. And we're gonna put it back here. Next step, we're adding the dates. And we're going to chop for 6 seconds at speed 7. Okay. These are the dates, perfect chopped. We're going to add the zucchini and the carrots and chop again for 2 seconds at speed 5. Perfect chop in only 2 seconds. And now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. All right, first we're going to put our buckwheat, banana, walnuts, 2 eggs, cashew milk, baking powder, homemade vanilla on sugar, cinnamon, coconut oil, and chocolate chip. Let's close. We're going to set up for only 25 seconds at reverse speed at speed 4. Perfect. We're going to add them into the muffin tray. And now we're going to bake them for 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, the veggie muffins are ready and I can't wait to try them. If you like my video, please follow me on YouTube at Madrena Palescandro. Thank you so much for watching.